The government just changed your gas, and it could destroy your engine this summer. That cheap gas at the pump, the government just quietly changed what's inside it. And if you're driving this summer, you need to hear this. The government just approved E15 gas nationwide. They're calling it unleaded 88. They say it's cheaper. They say it saves you money at the pump. What they're not telling you is what it does to your engine when it's 100 degrees outside. Let me break this down so it actually makes sense. Regular gas you've been pumping your whole life, that's E10, 10% ethanol, 90% gasoline. It's been the standard for years. Your car knows it, your engine was built for it. E15 sounds almost the same, just 5% more ethanol. No big deal, right? Wrong. Here's the first problem. Ethanol evaporates faster than gasoline. And in summer heat, we're talking 100, 105, 110 degrees, that ethanol starts turning into vapor inside your fuel lines before it even reaches your engine. That's called vapor lock. And when it happens, your engine gets starved of fuel. Your car stalls on the highway. It hesitates when you press the gas, or it won't even start after sitting in a hot parking lot for a few hours. This is literally why E15 was banned during summer months. The government knew this. It's not a conspiracy, it's their own science. They just waived the rule to lower gas prices because of the Iran situation spiking oil costs. Your wallet wins, your engine loses. Here's the second problem. Ethanol absorbs water out of thin air, literally. It pulls moisture through your gas cap, your tank vents, right out of the atmosphere. The more ethanol in your fuel, the more water it pulls in. And when too much water gets in, the ethanol and water separate from the gasoline and sink to the bottom of your tank. That's called phase separation. Now you've got a layer of water sitting in your fuel tank, getting sent straight to your fuel pump, your fuel injectors, your engine. Water in your injectors means corrosion, misfires, clogged fuel filters, parts that cost hundreds, sometimes thousands, to replace. E10 does this too, but E15 does it faster and worse, especially in summer humidity. Third problem, ethanol is corrosive. Over time, it eats rubber, seals, gaskets, fuel hoses, the stuff holding your fuel system together. E10 does this slowly over many years. E15 accelerates it. If your car is older, especially pre-2001, this isn't a slow burn. This is active damage. And here's the kicker on mileage. Remember the last video. Pure gas gets you 30 miles per gallon. E10 already drops you to about 29. E15 drops you a little further. So the cheaper gas actually makes you burn more of it to go the same distance. The savings at the pump shrink fast once you do that math. So what do? 1. Check your car's owner manual or the inside of your fuel door. It will tell you if your car is E15 or Flex Fuel approved. If it says E10 only, do not pump unleaded 88. 2. If you're in a hot climate this summer, even in an approved car, be aware. Don't let your tank run near empty in extreme heat. A full tank leaves less airspace for moisture to enter. 3. If you accidentally put E15 in an older car or a car that's not rated for it, don't panic. Drive it. But when it hits half a tank, fill it back up with regular E10 to dilute it. 4. Avoid E15 in motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, generators, anything with a small engine. It is not approved for those and will cause real damage. The government is pushing E15 to lower prices because of a geopolitical crisis driving up oil costs. That's the real story. Your gas pump just became collateral damage in a global energy war. Protect your car, read the pump label, know what you're putting in your tank. Because cheap gas that destroys your engine isn't actually cheap.